Here we go again, phonics time, ready? Ah. I. N. G. O. 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 B. M. D. E. R. J. U. X. And today's sound is the letter Y, which makes the sound Y. Y. Okay? Now, it's a bit of a tricky one to write. So it starts at the top and it goes down to the line and under and back up. But then your pen stays on, comes all the way under the line with a long tail. E. Okay? Let's have a look at a couple of words with the E sound in. Okay? First word is yap. Yap. Your turn. And the next word is yes. Yes. Your turn. Okay, let's look at writing those words. So the first word was yap. So we need our yap. Okay, so if we remember how to write it, down, under, up, and then under the line, pen stays on. E, a, p, yap, yap. You have a go at writing that at home. And the next word is yes. 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 Okay? Yes. Yes. Have a go at writing that at home. Okay. And finally, our tricky words. Here we go. He, be, me, we, she. See you again soon.